All right, Todd, you got cracks in your foundation. Interior or exterior? You're kind of leaning towards exterior repair.
Well, Chris, that's a great question. Exterior repairs, they go to the root source of the problem. What we do is we excavate down on the exterior of the home, we repair, we waterproof and prevent that water from accessing the home any further. It's the gold seal standard to protection.
So it's very thorough.
It's very thorough, it's very involved. We go to the root cause, not the symptom.
All right, if we have to deal with it from the inside, what do we do?
Going from the inside, it does nothing to contain the water. We're still allowing that water to come through the foundation wall, and we actually send it into a drainage ditch or weeping tile, which ends up in a sump pump. Allowing water to come continually into a home can potentially lead to further health problems just due to mold growth.
All right, well, when it comes to your home, interior or exterior, protect what matters most. Visit shieldfoundationrepair.ca.